Hey guys, I am here to share about my newest thing that I have gotten to review. It is Seedsheet. Seedsheet is an awesome product. It is the easiest way to garden. All it is seeds in tiny little pods that kind of just disintegrate when you have water run over them. And you place it in a raised bed container, or you can do it right on your dirt. So my husband built me this beautiful raised bed container. I have the largest seed sheet inside this pouch, and I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. All I have to do is take it out of the pouch and literally lay it right here on top of this dirt. Okay, so now we have laid down our seed sheet. As you can see, we have weed barrier material that has come in this seed sheet. That's how they are made. And each of these little pouches is disposable. You actually have the dirt and everything right in here. And then if you look underneath, you have your seeds. So I will show you what is actually in mine. What I got in this is sweet basil, I got carrots, cucumbers, summer squash, corn, and beans. So that is basically what each of these plots are. So this first row right here is going to be the green beans. Then you've got squash by itself in the middle because they're huge. And then I believe the corn is also in the middle because it's huge. And then, let me see, the last one in the middle, I believe, is going to be the cucumbers. These are going to be the cucumbers right in here. And then down here we have all of these that are going to be basil. And then the last ones are also going to be the carrots. I'm sorry, not the carrots, the green beans. I believe those are the green beans. So that is actually how you do it. How you actually get these activated is you're going to water them gently, and it will go ahead and dissolve this almost like a Tide Pod in your washing machine. So I'm going to go ahead and start watering, but before I do, they sent little garden stakes so that you can stake this down, because obviously it is very thin material. It could fly off if you have winds. So you're going to want to have this staked down until you have some veggies really coming out of this. So I'm going to stake this down, and then I am going to come back and show you what it looks like once it is watered. Okay, so as you can see, I have this staked down. In each corner I have it staked down pretty good. So now inside the raised bed, all I have to do is go ahead and water it. And what's really neat about Seedsheet is they are non-GMO seeds, so that's awesome. They're really simple to use, and you don't have to weed because of the weed barrier, so I don't have any worries about weeds coming up through this. So I wanted to show you the instructions before I go ahead and water them. It tells you basically where to find your garden, and then you're going to want to put your seed sheet seed side down like I showed you. You could visibly see the seeds on the bottom part. And then you're going to gently mist the pods until you can see that they're dissolved and visibly moist. And then basically you're going to water the pods daily in short little spurts. You don't want to soak them, I guess. So after 2 weeks, you should definitely see something. If for some reason, what is awesome with this company is, if for some reason you do not see something sprouting in one of your pods within 2 weeks, they will send you a brand new pod. So you don't have to worry about something actually not sprouting, because they will replace that. They guarantee that they will sprout. So then on the last part, it tells you how to care for your garden. And I will show you that, what I actually have here. These are the plants, again, like I said, the basil, the carrot, the cucumber, the squash, the corn, and the bean. It tells you how to thin it, tells you the days to harvest, and just how to harvest them, because it's kind of easy to go ahead and grow food sometimes, but not so easy to actually figure out how to harvest it if you have no idea what you're doing without killing the plant. So, and then here was the map of my things. So this bottom row is green beans, then I have corn, then I have summer squash, I've got cucumbers, carrots, and basil. And that is exactly how it is lying here. So I'm going to go ahead and water these, and I will come back and show you what the pods look like. Okay, so this is the finished thing. You can see how after I watered it, there are no more plastic parts. And you can see that the seeds are now dissolved down into my soil. Now I did push them down with my fingers just to make sure that they got down into the soil that is in my raised bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to link to them below, and I'm going to share a lot more information about them and show you how my garden progresses.